Sandra, vení.
My name is Sofia Lopez Mañan. 10 years ago, I began a project to explore what we call nature. A simple question became the axis of my life. I realized we don't just see nature, we build it through our desires, our fears, and the way we've been taught to see. This work changed the way I see the world. And now, as I begin a new chapter in life, I want to close these 10 years with a book. Together with Sede Editorial, we are publishing a book of nature. 450 pages of images and texts by different authors. To make it real, I need your help. I have 1 month to raise the funds. You can pre-order the book as an early bird. You can get the book with photographic prints or simply contribute to make this possible. Thank you for watching and for sharing this vision.